Hello, teacher. My name is Gustavo Andres Lopez. I am a student of software analysis and development. At the same time, I work as a technical support employee in a company dedicated to system and computer maintenance. Throughout my academic and work journey, I have learned the importance of being self-directed, flexible, and adaptable to face the change that arise in this context. In this audio, I want to share my experience, my future plans, the actions I take, and the solution I apply in my daily life. Academic background. Since I started my software analysis and development degree, I have understood that if I study consciently and diligently, I get better results in my exams and projects. For example, if I dedicate at the least 2 hours daily to practicing programming, my skills improve significantly. I have also learned to be self-directed. This means I do not always wait for direct guidance from a professor or supervisor. Instead, I look for additional resources, tutorials, and online courses to complement my knowledge. If I do not understand a concept, I research and practice until I master it because I know that if I do not make an effort to learn on my own, I will not progress as fast. In my studies, I have also applied flexibility and adaptability. For example, if a project changes requirements or if I need to learn a new programming language for a subject, I quickly adapt to meet expectations. This has helped me develop an open and resilient mindset, which is essential in the teach field. Work background. In my job as a technical support employee, the experience has been equally enriching. Here, I constantly apply the first conditional. For example, if a client reports a problem with their equipment, I investigate the cause and provide an effective solutions as quickly as possible. If I do not solve the problem quickly, the client might lose productivity, so speed and accuracy are key. My role requires me to flexible and adaptable since technical problems can vary greatly and do not always follow a predictable pattern. If a device present a failure I have never seen before, I have to investigate, learn, and apply new solutions to fix it. This ability to adapt has allowed me to grow professionally and earn the trust of my superiors and clients. Additionally, I have developed leadership and responsibility skills. When I lead a small support team, I make sure everyone understands their tasks and responsibilities. If someone has difficulties, I offer my support and share my knowledge so team functions efficiently. If I have the opportunity to lead larger projects, I will apply these same skills to motivate and guide my team to success. Future plans. My short and long-term plans are focused on growing both academically and professionally. First, I plan to finish my degree with a high academic level, specializing in software development and emerging technologies. If I continue with the same dedication and discipline, I know I will access better job opportunities. For example, if I obtain additional certifications in programming language or system administration, I will have a competitive advantage in the job market. I also want to further develop my leadership skills. If I have the chance to lead a software development team, I will apply everything I have learned to foster a collaborative, flexible, and productive environment. I firmly believe that a good leader must be able to adapt to change, listen to their team, and make responsible decisions. Actions and solutions in the academic work context. To achieve my goals, I carry out several concrete actions. Self-direction. I organize myself to study and work efficiently. If I do not understand a topic, I seek help in forums, tutorials, or from peers. This attitude has allowed me to overcome academic and work obstacles without relying exclusively on others. Flexibility. At work, if a client needs support outside regular hours, I try to adapt to provide the necessary help. This flexibility is valued by my supervisors and clients. Adaptability. When the company implements new technologies or process, I try to learn quickly and apply them. This makes a valuable employee prepared for the constant change in the tech sector. Leadership. In group projects, whether at university or work, I take the initiative to coordinate tasks, set goals, and ensure everyone fulfills their responsibilities. If someone cannot meet their duties, I look for solutions to redistribute the work and keep the pace.